What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the Insta360 Ace Pro. Woo! You guys, this year is going to be amazing. We have a new action camera. I can't tell you how many videos that I looked at as far as reviews with this thing. You know, you have some fanboys and girls out there, and you know, you have your pro Instas out there, your pro GoPros out there, and your pro DJIs out there. Me, I'm just looking for something new. I'm looking for something innovative. The last time I bought an action camera was the GoPro Hero 6 when it first came out, and I still use it. Let's go ahead and get into this. Now, one thing I like about this is the screen, you guys. I want to do a little bit more vlogging style videos coming up, so I want to change up my review style a little bit, just on, you know, certain videos, not all the way. I never forget where I come from, you guys. I never forget where I come from. It lifts up on the side, you guys. Look at that. Wow, this looks just like the GoPro, or just like the rest of the action cameras, really, but it's nice and thick. A little bit more beefy than my 6. It seems like the same size. Let me get my little 6 real quick. All right, you guys, so I always have my 6 right here with me, and as you can tell, there is a heck of a size difference, you guys. Look at that. Wow. Now, once again, the thing that I like about this is the flip up screen. So you push on the side. Oh, this is very well constructed, you guys. Now you can have it like this if you need it. You can use it as a stand, which is awesome. So you can leave it out a little bit and let it stand up, or angle stand. Maybe you want to do some like, you know, people do like time lapse of the moon and stars and stuff. So you can kind of post it up in the angle right there like that. So that is pretty cool. And wow, this thing feels big. Like, I'm used to like action camera small, and you know, I toss this thing around. A lot of reviewers, one thing they worried about is the screen, but I got this from Amazon and I am subscribed to their warranty. Well, not subscribed, but you know, when you buy things on Amazon and it says, do you want to do the 2-year warranty, the 4-year warranty, blah, 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 blah. I always get a warranty when it comes to electronics, vacuums and stuff like that. For the most part, Amazon holds their part of the deal when it comes to warranty, you guys. I cannot lie to y'all on that one. I had Nintendo Switch controllers that broke. What they did was, you know, you put in your claim and they'll give you like a gift card or whatever. And yeah, so they'll pay you back for what you paid for the product. You have a screen right there with the GoPro and the DJI, but the thing is, the screen is so small, you can't really see anything. So having the screen is like, why? And you know, with this GoPro Hero 6, like, my video quality still looks good with the GoPro Hero 6, you guys. Like, the video quality still looks good, in my opinion. So here we go. We got a USB Type-C, it looks like. Go ahead and rip this apart. And I did purchase some accessories with this, which I may do a separate review, but I'll show y'all real quick what I purchased. That way, you know, if somebody looking for just that one thing, then I could put it out as a separate review. All right, so we do have a cord right here. I am not sure if this is a charger cord or what. All right. And we have a mount. Now, I'm not sure if this is, I know they have a magnetic mount, but this is not magnetic. This is like a clip. Oh, this is magnetic. But is it? Okay. Yeah, it's in there. It's magnetic, most definitely. It's magnetic and it has like a clip. This is interesting. And you guys, no, I did not look at no instructions. I am a regular consumer, you guys. I look at the instructions later. All right, what do we have here? So they do give you some good stuff with this. All right, so we have a suction cup. I guess you can put this on your car if you want, on the dash of your car. This seems like a sticky. It says, please make sure the surface is adherent, so clean. So I'll let y'all see that one as well. All right, so this is basically two things that come with it. The rest that's in this box is the instructions. You got stickers, more stickers, warranty card. And with that being said, I think the company does like a 1-year replacement when it comes to the lens or something like that. And you have like up to 2 replacements if something goes wrong. Once again, I take advantage of most of my warranties that I get, especially with big purchases. This is a big purchase on this channel. I'm pressing down on this. There you go. All right, there we go. All right, so there we go. You got USB type C. There goes your SIM card port right here. So it seems like it's a pull down to come out, and you push in and it goes in. I just tapped the power button. We have English. Please download the Insta360 app. I gotta download an app to activate the camera. Is that what we coming to nowadays? Oh, all right, you guys. Let me download the app. I'll finalize a review after this, and then that will be it. All right, you guys. So we are at the final sit down with the Insta360. Maybe not the final sit down, but right now we are basically on our end review and awaiting future reviews. So as you know, right here, this is the mic adapter, budget friendly, and plus you do get your USB port right there so you can actually charge it while you using it. So that is definitely a plus, but we are going to put that to the side. So I do love this camera, you guys. I love the camera. I love the camera. I love the fact that it flips, right? So this is probably the best thing, and y'all know I love my cameras, and I don't ever look at the lens. I always look at myself, so yeah. But this is very durable. It's not like it's gears, but when you pull it up, it stays in place to where you want it to stay. And you got your 180 degrees right there. So it stays in place. If you want to like tilt it to aim it to the sky, do your little sky time lapse, you can do that. You close it. Of course, you got your power on button. You power it on, you record. It's a simple, basic action camera. And that's exactly what it is. It's an action camera. Me, I'm trying to use it as far as doing like new review styles, you know. So I like the action camera as far as like the camera goes. So I want to start using that as, you know, my new style of review. I already tested out some reviews, and I love it. I love the way the reviews look. I tested this out when I did my what was it, the DeWalt kerosene heater, and I did I think I did a few more reviews when I used this camera. So the camera is awesome. All right, now my few issues that I have with the camera, just a few issues, maybe like 3. One major issue, okay, and it will cause you a headache. The magnetic clip that comes with this camera do not stay on. All right, I try to you see, it's like it don't stay. Like if you clip both in, if you push both clips in, it goes in, but you still have to push. Like it don't stay. Okay, so you really have to play with this a lot. See? And this is one downfall for me. I think you could probably get a third-party clip, maybe something that's better or stronger. I haven't really tried it. I think I looked at one review where the guy said you can get another clip from somewhere else. But if you're paying $450 for this, buying extra stuff that supposed to work when it comes in. It's kind of inconvenience. The other issue is, y'all know I'm trying to use this as my new review camera. I want to do a new style of review, more wide angle, more action style review. And the issue I have with this is, y'all know I love being in my garage. I do garage reviews. There is black lines that come up on your videos when you do this. I looked at like 2 more reviewers. They was inside like their house or their garage, and you get these black lines. And then there was another reviewer that was reviewing like all 3 cameras. Y'all know the DJI, the GoPro, and the Insta360 Ace Pro, since those are the top dogs right now. This thing works well outdoors, you guys. The camera quality is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It did well in the studio, the hand gesture thing. So you can actually throw your hand up and it will start recording, and you can throw your hand up and stop recording. In my situation, y'all know I talk a lot with my hands. So what review? There was a review. I think it may have been my kerosene review. One of the kerosene reviews where, you know, I was just talking in the camera, and when I talk, I use my hands a lot. So it kept pausing the video. It kept pausing the recording, and it was starting to get very frustrating, all right? So I took the hand gesture off. So that's something that maybe they can work on. I don't know if they can do that as far as a firmware update. I'm not sure. I'm not a geek guy, so I don't know how they can work with that. All right. So that's if you want the hand gesture to raise your hand. To me, I think the hand gesture thing is like innovative. Other than that, the camera is great. Besides the price, I know this is the best camera when it comes to low light. Again, action camera is based on your needs, your wants and your needs. If you are the type that's in the city life, you go out in the city and stuff like that, you got the lights, you got the nice bars, the clubs and stuff like that. And this camera will definitely do good, because there are plenty reviews out there that is showing the difference. All you have to do is look at the reviews. It shows the difference. Me, I'm not into that. I'm not into going out to the bar. I'm not into going out to the club. I'm not into going out to the city. That's just not my life. I'm a farm boy, so I stay out here. All right. So with that being said, this will be the camera for you, especially if you are into the nightlife. Now, if you are into anything else, to me, all the cameras look the same. And this is just a bonus. I got this necklace, magnetic necklace for your action camera. So I got this when I was doing like delivery work. So if you want like a cool accessory, I think this will be cool, because you can put your action camera onto here and you can use that while you go out and do your thing. So I think this is probably one of the coolest accessories that I have ever owned. So I just wanted to throw that out there. The link will be in the description. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.